This is the 2009 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner Premium Hamilton Conversion Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. We have a full overview video of CarPlay as well as a video that shows you how to set up CarPlay on our YouTube channel. We also have a complete installation video. This is going to be a quick overview of Android Auto, and we'll show you how to pair and set up Android Auto at the end of this video. You can see here any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. Whether you use Amazon Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to your music. Touching the navigation will make it larger, and you can see the Google Assistant will read your directions.
Head west toward Corporation Parkway.
Having large navigation is so much better and frankly safer than factory navigation. It makes such a difference in this vehicle. Pressing the voice speech button on the steering wheel will trigger your Google Voice Assistant. How's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Right now in Raleigh, it's 78 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 79 and a low of 57.
We've precision-tuned this device by developing our technology in Raleigh, North Carolina, testing on American-spec vehicles to use your factory microphone. That means phone calls or using the Google Voice Assistant is easy and they'll sound great. If we come here to Apps and click Exit, this is the Hamilton underlying operating system. In our video for the installation, we'll show you where you could load a SIM card into the device. You can use a 4G T-Mobile SIM like I do in mine. And then the device can have its own data connection outside of Android Auto. This means the device can operate like a standard Android-based device. Using a SIM card, you can run functionality native on the device. It has an 8-core Qualcomm processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigs of onboard storage. So this means it's more than powerful enough to handle any functionality that you might want it to perform. You can see here, touching this button will allow us to set the widget on the home screen. You can set Google Maps, Spotify, or any app that's available on the Google Play Store. This is where your audio would show if it was playing, or your FM radio. If you touch here, you have all of your apps on your device. Any app from the Google Play Store can be loaded onto the device. We preload it with a couple. This means you can have content and functionality that's not available in Android Auto. It makes your car more powerful than some of the newest vehicles on the market. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up Android Auto. Go ahead and open up Settings on your Android device and go to Connections and then Bluetooth. Scroll down to the bottom and look for a new device that starts with Hamilton. Click on it. A pairing code will pop up. Click Pair. Allow to contacts. And if it's the first time you've used Android Auto, you may get a prompt that needs you to approve Android Auto. The phone will begin working and Android Auto will automatically pop up on the display. And here it is, wireless Android Auto. We've custom designed from the ground up our electronics in Raleigh, North Carolina. We have a custom engineered heat sink that dissipates 6 times the heat of some of our leading competitors. This means that no matter the climate, this device is going to stand up to the test. That allows us to back it with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We're known at Hamilton Motor Company for our concierge-style tech support. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890 and talk to me or one of my team members if you have any questions before, during, or after your purchase. You can see this device is going to keep all of your factory functionality, including that original backup camera, all of your steering wheel functionality, and you won't lose a single feature. If you have any questions, give us a call today. You can talk to me or one of my team members. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and we're grateful for the chance to earn your business. We'll see you in the next video.